Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the easiest process to deactivate the Facebook account. So the process is very much simple. First of all, start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account, and then simply start by tapping on this three horizontal line at the top right and just scroll down. You will see a settings and privacy, and just tap on this settings. And here in the account section you will see a personal and account information at the top. Just tap on this personal and account information, and here at the bottom you will see account ownership and control. Just select this option, and once you enter here, in order to deactivate your account you have to tap on this deactivation and delete. And in order to deactivate your account, you have to select this deactivate account. If you want to delete your account permanently, you have to select this delete account option. So in order to deactivate my account, I am going with this deactivate my account. And after you have selected, just tap on this continue at the account deactivation at this blue box. Just tap on this continue. And here you can enter your reason why you are deactivating your Facebook, and just tap on this continue at the bottom, and again tap on the continue and tap on this deactivate my account. So hope this video helped you a lot, and also make sure to like and subscribe this channel as well before you go. Thank you.